Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw an Audi Q8. We'll begin by laying down the fundamental shapes that define its powerful stance. Focus on getting these initial proportions correct, as they will serve as the blueprint for your entire drawing. This method simplifies the process, making it accessible for everyone, regardless of your drawing experience. Now, let's connect those basic shapes to form the Audi Q8's distinctive silhouette. Pay close attention to the gentle curves and angles that give the vehicle its dynamic appearance. Use light pencil strokes at this stage, as we'll be refining these lines later. Accuracy here will make adding details much easier. With the main structure in place, it's time to bring your Audi Q8 to life by adding the finer details. Focus on the unique elements like the grille pattern and the sharp lines of the LED lights. Erase any unnecessary construction lines and strengthen your final outlines. These details truly make the drawing pop. For the final touches, let's add shading to give your Audi Q8 a three-dimensional quality. Think about where light would hit the car and where shadows would naturally fall, especially under the wheel arches and along the body panels. A little blending can go a long way in achieving a professional finish. And for those who love to read, check the description for a link to a fantastic new e-reader, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.